Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be solving simple logarithmic equations. So we are going to begin with this simple one. Now, when you have an equation like this to solve, we are going to apply some concepts that relate logarithms to exponents. And what we are going to be using is this relationship between logarithm and exponents, which says that if you have log x or log a base b, if you have that log a to the base b is equal to c, this implies and is implied by that a is equal to b to the power c. Okay, so if you have to apply this rule to this equation, our a is x, b is 2, and c is 4. And so for the equation log x base 2 is equal to 4, this implies that x is equal to 2 to the power 4, and that is equal to 16. Let's look at the second one. This one, applying the same rule, this same rule here, we will have that x plus 5 is equal to 3 squared, or x plus 5 is equal to 9. We subtract 5 from both sides of the equations, so we'll have that x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5, and so we have x is equal to 4. So we have a third example here to solve for x, given that log 2x plus 3 base 5 is equal to log x plus 7 base 5. I'm going to solve this particular example using two methods, a longer method and a shorter method. Let me begin with a longer method. So call that method 1. I'll write log of 2x plus 3 base 5 is equal to log of x plus 7 base 5. I'll rewrite this by subtracting the right hand side from the left hand side as log 2x plus 3 base 5 minus log of x plus 7 base 5 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to be using a property of logarithms which says that the log of a over b base c is the same as the log of a base c minus the log of b base c. So if we apply that to our equation, we'll have that this equation becomes a log of 2x plus 3 over x plus 7 base 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can rewrite that as, let me copy out the question here. We have that log of 2x plus 3, log of 2x plus 3 over x plus 7 base 5 is equal to 0. Now, remember we said that if we have something like this, that log a base b equals c, this implies that a is equal to b to the power c. So if we apply that here, it means that 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 5 to the power 0. Okay, so 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 1, because any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 5 to the power 0 is 1. We multiply both sides by x plus 7, so we have that 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 7 times x plus 7. Let me put brackets there to make it clearer. Is equal to 1 times x plus 7. Of course, on the left hand side here, x plus 7 will cancel x plus 7, and so we'll be left with 2x plus 3. We'll have that 2x plus 3 will equal to 1 times x plus 7, which is the same as x plus 7. We bring like terms together by subtracting x from the left hand side and 3 from the right hand side. So this will become 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 3. X is equal to 4. So that is a solution using the longer method. Now, for method 2, we are going to be using a property that says that if you have that log a base b is equal to log of b base b, this can only be true if this implies that a is equal to b. So applying that to the original question, which says the original equation log 2x plus 3 equals log x plus 7 base 5. This can only be true if we have that 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. We're doing that because the bases are the same. So we bring like terms together So we have that 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. And so 2x minus x is x. So x equals 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4, which is the same answer as we had before. Okay, thank you. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified each time we post a video. And this actually helps the algorithm for other people to see the video. Thank you.